All right, so that's a form of disrespect, man. So how about you get the fuck away from me and kick rocks? How about that? Cause you disrespected me. Who authorized me? It's called the Constitution of the United States, man.
Okay, fine. I'm Karen Turner.
You're just here as the rider, right?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm here as a concerned citizen and friend of the mayor, and been in Tenafly for 20 years. I take full responsibility for them. And what is the reason they were pulled over?
The driver has all the information. He'll tell you.
No. I need to know.
No, you don't need to know.
Tonight's video takes us to Louisville, Kentucky and Tenafly, New Jersey, where two very different confrontations unfold on camera. In one case, a man with a camera stands on a public sidewalk, and suddenly government employees demand answers. In the other, a powerful official tries to pressure police during a traffic stop. These videos come from the original creators, who continue spreading awareness about civil rights and public accountability. Make sure you support the original channel, link in the description. Follow them and tell them ID Refusal Pro sent you, because we believe in protecting civil liberties. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will definitely have an opinion about what happened here.
Say that again? You realize I'm in public, right?
Yes, you do realize that.
You realize I'm not one of your inmates, right?
Absolutely.
So maybe you shouldn't even be talking to me.
Oh, maybe you shouldn't be in front of the business.
Well, that's how you feel, but that ain't the law.
So you're recording for what?
Can I have your name and badge number?
Right here, Officer Turner's 8529.
Can I have your name and badge number, ma'am?
Next to 4010.
Get the turn roll cap.
So what's the problem with me, you know?
You're recording the business, we're trying to figure out why you're recording this. That's all.
I'm just gathering content for a story I'm doing. That's about it.
You just say that. Nobody's giving
I mean,
you
but
information.
no, I understand that,
Nobody's
but
coming at you sideways, nothing like that.
nah, I mean, I appreciate that, but you know, I really don't have to say anything. Usually, I just, you know, tell you to keep it moving. I don't have to say anything. I'm well within the law right now. You know what I mean?
A government employee asks the man to identify himself, but notice what the camera captures. The auditor calmly reminds them he is standing on a public sidewalk. Under the First Amendment, recording government buildings from a public place is generally protected activity. Courts have repeatedly affirmed that people visible from public spaces typically have no reasonable expectation of privacy, a principle rooted in Katz v. United States, 1967, and reinforced in numerous First Amendment recording cases.
Do you work here, ma'am?
Do you have gum?
Can you identify yourself?
You have gum?
You're not gonna identify yourself?
You said you didn't have to say nothing, right?
Yeah, but you work here. I'm in the public. I'm the public. Hey, you work here, right? I mean, she wanna come.
You don't gotta be this route.
You're right.
We got our vehicles out here. That's what we say.
And there's no expectation of privacy, though, sir.
Excuse me?
There's no expectation of privacy in public.
No, we get that, but we get some people that want to damage vehicles. So that's why we ask.
I mean, y'all got cameras all over, man.
Yeah.
That's how y'all know I'm here, so.
No, we see.
There's cameras all over, though, man. I don't really think people's gonna come. I mean, I guess you said it has happened, but.
That's why we ask. That's why we ask.
You feel like identifying yourself now? Is it in your policy to identify yourself?
Actually, we're not supposed to. Yes, it is.
Say that again?
We're not supposed to identify ourselves.
You're not supposed to identify yourself.
Any media coverage at all.
But media coverage, I'm just a man. A man in public with a camera.
I don't know that though, right?
You know it now. Do you feel like identifying yourself?
No, I'm not.
You understand, I'm not doing nothing illegal, right?
Yeah.
Before you say anything, can you identify yourself, ma'am?
I don't have to, sir. Why are you here?
So I don't have to talk to you neither. You see that right there? That makes you a tyrant, man.
That makes you a tyrant?
Makes you a tyrant. No, by coming with an attitude like that.
I have an attitude?
Obviously, all I asked you was.
I don't have to identify.
All right, so that's a form. That's a form of disrespect, man. So how about you get the fuck away from me and kick rocks? How about that? Cause you disrespecting me. Who authorized me? It's called the Constitution of the United States, man. I can record anything, whatever, cause I want to. Cause it's my born given right. That's why. You did give me attitude, and it's on camera. It ain't about cursing. It's about you gave me attitude, man. All right, keep it moving, then. That's called the walk of shame, man. That's what that's called. You see, I was talking to you correct, man, because you came at me correct. But as soon as she comes and tells me like that with attitude, then everything goes out the window. Then you're gonna see how I treat tyrants. You know what I mean?
My thing is,
y'all haven't did nothing. Y'all ain't get disrespectful. You didn't identify yourself, but really I don't care. You know what I mean? It is what it is. You didn't come stupid to me like she did. Yes.
Probably not gonna answer.
I mean, I answer. I mean, depending. You know what I mean?
Right. So you're recording. You obviously have an issue.
I have an issue.
Let me take that back. It's an assumption.
Oh yeah, all right.
Do you have an issue?
I don't have no issue.
I'm just curious to know why.
Why? Yeah. Like I said, because it's my born given right.
No. Obviously, we all have the right to do it. You don't have to answer that as a...
Yeah.
I'm asking, like, is there a motive behind it? Is it something you're, like, research? Like, what is your... That's what I'm asking. What is your motive?
I really don't... to be honest, like, you know, I answered enough questions, and I really don't need to, and I don't want to anymore.
You don't.
Can you identify yourself, sir?
Why you got a camera?
What do you mean?
Why you got a camera on me?
Because I want to. What's the problem with that? Why did you come over here if you see I have a camera and you don't want to be...
I see my staff over there speaking to you.
And you see enough of them, right? There's enough of them out here if something was to happen, man. Or they can't handle themselves. That's what you're telling me? Or are y'all scared? A camera makes y'all nervous? Because that's kind of ridiculous, you know? So can you identify yourself, sir?
Nah, not really.
All right, so get the hell away from me then. If you're not going to identify yourself, I'm not going to talk to you. You need to get in your building, kick rocks. That's what you need to do.
Yo, come.
Yeah, I'm going to be right here, right? I'm going to be right here, you clown. You're a fucking clown. I'm going to come behind us. Hey, please. Oh, yeah, that's what y'all looking for, right? That's what you looking for? That's what you looking for? Nah, you don't know me. You don't know me, homie. For you to be saying that, you clown. Get the fuck in the building, you tyrant. Fuck out of here. Look at this fat fuck right here. Look at this motherfucker. You could tell this motherfucker right here is a fucking tyrant. Where he at? You can't even fucking see that fat fuck. Look at this fucking dude. They abuse the kids in here. And I say kids because, like I said, this is a juvenile center. This guy's a piece of shit, yo. They need to know that I'm not an inmate and they can't treat me the way they are. This fucking asshole right here in the white shirt. You know, tyrants, man. You realize I didn't even come at you, right? I didn't. I ain't come at you. Why? Because you was respectful towards me. You know what I mean? You was respectful. You identify yourself, no problem. But this guy and the other one, I see it runs in the white shirts, right? Because this white shirt and then the other white shirt said the same thing, man. That's what you trained to do, sir? Huh? You don't want to talk to me? It's fucking ridiculous, man.
Now,
what
the situation reaches a turning point. Staff threaten to call police, assuming officers will remove the cameraman. But legally, that decision depends on something very specific: reasonable suspicion of a crime. the standard established in Terry v. Ohio, 1968. Standing on a public sidewalk with a camera is not a crime by itself. Without reasonable suspicion, police generally cannot detain someone or demand identification. That legal reality is exactly why the auditor is willing to wait.
What exactly do you think the cops is gonna do but tell you that I'm in the right? Do y'all realize that? Y'all don't know nothing about the law, do y'all? I will humbly wait for the cops here and tell them to fuck off also. How would you like that? Sounds good? Stick around for you can watch it then. Maybe y'all get educated today. Yeah, but did I come at you, ma'am? You ain't come at me. You ain't come at me, so I ain't come at you.
I have not had no words to say y'all for the offended now. Because I was nothing.
Yeah, cause there's a whole bunch of y'all in here at times.
Not to mention I come from the hood.
So what does that mean? What does that mean that you come from the hood? Are you serious? Are you serious? Morales, get your dumb ass inside, Morales. What does that mean? You still an idiot. You still an idiot. That doesn't mean nothing. See what I mean? That just shows me that I can't be respectful towards y'all, man. Because that's what happens. I never came at her sideways. So they calling the cops. So tell me, man, what you think the police is gonna do when they get here? They're gonna arrest me? You think they're gonna arrest me or something, or tell me to leave? They can't tell me to leave. You realize that, right? You realize that you can't be trespassed from public property. And so was I to you. It looks like maybe that's your character, man. It looks like being a tyrant is what y'all do. I hope all y'all stick around for y'all can get educated today, man. Just waiting for the cops. There's a lot of abuse that goes on in this building, man. I know that for a fact, so don't switch your face like if I said something wrong. I know that for a fact. For a fact, I know that. There wouldn't be a situation if y'all wouldn't come out and tell me anything. There wouldn't be no situation if y'all go in there and stay where y'all within y'all right to tell people what to do. Because out here, you can't tell me what to do.
I'm trying to go home.
So go. What were you waiting for? Go home, please.
I'm waiting for somebody to come get me. Nobody's worried about this.
Wait inside. Ma'am, you realize there was no reason for you to get the way you did, because I never.
Because I was very respectful. Was I not?
And was I respectful towards you?
Not once did I come out my face.
But I didn't come out my face to you. I mean, you felt guilty or something? If it don't apply, let it fly. Have you heard that? I never said nothing to you, though. I never said nothing to you. If it don't apply, let it fly, man.
In the first encounter, a man with a camera challenges authority on a public sidewalk, raising questions about rights and respect. But the next case flips the script. What happens when someone with power tries to pressure police during a traffic stop? Watch closely.
Okay, you might have to contact them and find out and tell them your situation. Because that's inspection, that's completely separate. And they might make you go to an inspection to get the registration done.
So then could that be done from the lot? Like, I mean, is there
probably not. It's probably to be done in Nevada, I'm guessing.
Okay.
Probably at one of their inspection stations.
No, you can take this mock check remotely. I've done it before in Illinois, so I'm not sure what.
I can only tell you New Jersey. I have no idea about. If I told you something, it might be completely incorrect. New Jersey, I can tell you 100% what the process. I have no idea with Nevada. You have to call their DMV. Unfortunately, not till Monday with the holiday weekend. So All right. So you guys are all set. Tow truck driver's gonna take it.
What do we need? How do we get the car back?
Valid registration, valid insurance card.
How do they know that this is her car? Like, don't you need to give us a receipt or something? Like, how are they going to know that this one
This is the
hers?
receipt. This goes on file.
Hi, I'm Karen Turner. Hi,
It's my
here,
mom.
I'm a resident. There you go.
It's fine. I don't need that.
Okay, fine. I'm
You're
Karen
just
Turner.
you're just here as the rider, right?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm here as a concerned citizen and friend of the mayor, and been in Tenafly for 20 years. I take full responsibility for them. And what is the reason they were pulled over?
The driver has all the information. He'll tell you.
No. I need to know.
No, you don't need to know.
Okay.
At this moment, the encounter shifts dramatically. Karen Turner introduces herself as a government commissioner, implying authority over the situation. But legally, a traffic stop is a law enforcement investigation, and officers control the scene for safety reasons. Under the Fourth Amendment and Supreme Court rulings such as Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1977, and Maryland v. Wilson, 1997, officers may control who approaches a vehicle during a stop. Status, influence, or political connections do not override those limits.
Okay.
We're not involved here. You're picking them up?
No, I'm involved. Trust me,
Well,
I'm
I'm not
very
going to tell
involved.
you. He's the driver of the automobile. He's over 18. That's all you need to know.
Okay.
If you can...
We don't need to see credentials.
Okay.
We've explained already.
You need a... If you can give me a little bit of space here.
Who is this? Are you a commissioner?
I am the commissioner. One of the commissioners, and I'm heading up...
Do you have an ID with that?
That is my ID, and that is my business card. I am the commissioner of the Port Authority, and I'm heading up over 4,000 police officers. Okay? So, if there's a problem, I think I have...
There's no problem.
Well, I think there's a
It's
problem.
an unregistered vehicle.
Okay, let's hear, why were they pulled over, first of all?
Miss.
Now, don't call me Miss, I'm Commissioner. Thank you.
Commissioner.
Yes.
All due
Why were they
respect.
pulled over?
All due respect.
Yep. Why
The
they
driver
pulled
will
over?
tell you.
No. I need
Yes,
to know.
ma'am. The car's getting towed now.
Why is the car getting towed?
Go ask him.
No, I'm asking. You're the person
Go ask
who's
him.
ordered it, and trust me.
Miss, this does not involve you 1%.
Yeah, it does. It does, because I'm picking them up, and I'm offering to take responsibility for them, and you can't even tell me the charges. I'm also an attorney, so I think if you can't tell me, what is the problem?
That's fine.
Why is it such a difficulty to say why they're being pulled over and why the car's being towed?
Because everything has already been explained.
I know, but I know.
Why do you need to know?
Because this is impacting me, because
Why?
I got 4 people who are coming back to my house, including people who live in New Haven attending Yale Graduate School, a PhD student, and I don't know why it's so difficult to say what the problem is. This is impacting me. On Easter Sunday, I got to take 4 people
I'll be honest.
back to New
I'll be honest
Haven.
with you. Should I be frank with you?
Yeah, I want to know what the problem is.
It's more of the way you just approached me and your
You
demeanor.
know what? Okay.
I'm being honest with you.
I want to know why.
I just don't appreciate your demeanor.
I don't
You're being
appreciate...
very demanding with me.
No, I'm asking you a question which is not being answered.
But it doesn't need to be answered. It's irrelevant.
Okay. You know what?
If you'd like
you
to
don't
read
wanna...
my report, you can come down to the police department records on Monday, and you can get a copy of it.
And you can't...
I am under... There is no... You have no right to know what's going on.
No, I do.
Explain to me why.
Because these are 4 people that I have
You're
to
just
take
a concerned...
responsibility.
Why do you have to take responsibility? They're all adults.
That's my daughter.
And she's a
these
backseat
are her
passenger.
friends.
She's a backseat passenger.
And there's a
She has
problem
received-
with you describing it because you don't feel
Describing
confident why these people are being pulled
Your daughter
over.
has not been
And
summoned. She was not the driver. This is not her vehicle. It's not your vehicle.
I'm
How are
sorry,
you
but
involved?
this is not going to be... If you have a problem, explain...
The tension peaks when Turner threatens to escalate the issue to higher authorities, yet the law places the focus somewhere else entirely: the driver. During a lawful traffic stop, the officer's legal relationship is with the driver and the vehicle, not outside bystanders. Courts have consistently recognized officers' authority to maintain control of the stop under the Fourth Amendment's Officer Safety Doctrine, highlighted in Arizona v. Johnson, 2009. Influence might change the conversation later, but in that moment, the law still belongs to the officer conducting the stop.
Explaining what the problem is and why their car is being confiscated, then we have a problem. And trust me, I will be in with the commissioner of police of Tenafly.
Take a step back. Take a step back
If you
from me,
can't
please.
even describe what the
Take a
problem
step back
is,
from me. I
there's
can't
a
move back any
problem.
farther. I keep moving back farther, and you keep moving closer to me.
Because you can't
Can you take
even
a step
put
back?
a sentence together
Take a
on what
step
the
back.
problem is.
Because I'm not, because of your demeanor.
No, I
I am
came in
under
very
no
nicely.
legal obligation to tell you.
And I'm under no legal obligation to tell you what I will be doing. But I will.
You can do whatever you would like to do.
She's been
This is a lawful motor vehicle stop. You are here to pick them up. Okay?
Okay.
There's going to be a report.
Yep.
The driver has been advised of everything that's going on.
Okay. I was
All the
there for
proper
your
forms have been
graduation
filled out.
when you guys came in the town, and it wasn't that long
What
ago.
graduation? What are you talking about?
Okay.
What graduation
Thank
when I
you
came
very
into
much,
what town?
Saditsky and Catherine. Thank you for
Have
your
a nice day.
information and help. You know what? I hope you have a really nice holiday weekend, too, because you just ruined it for a lot of people. Without even the decency.
No, I didn't ruin anything.
Yeah,
I'm just
you
doing my
did.
job.
Yeah, you did.
I would just
This
hope
is
you,
their
being
Easter,
a commissioner,
this is their Passover.
that you would understand
You
the job
did it.
police officers have to do. But
There is no explanation. How can I understand? You
didn't
don't
even
have
ask
the
him.
decency.
You didn't even
no,
ask
I'm
him.
asking you because you're the one that's making the report, the problem, stating it. I'm going to the
I don't
source.
appreciate the way you approached me, the way you demanded information, the way
I'm
you're,
not demanding.
you're
I'm
stating
asking
based
you.
off of your
I'm asking
your
you.
position
I'm asking
in another
you.
agency,
I'm asking
whatever it
you.
may be. I mean, you have a business card with
How many
credentials.
times?
I don't know you. I just met you a minute ago. You have no official
So
identification.
Louis, what's his name? Schmarodowski?
What does that have to do with anything?
Well, I'm just telling you who I am. I've been in the town for 20 years, and as a courtesy, I would like to understand the rationale for their being pulled over and their car confiscated. This is a courtesy. I don't know why it's so difficult.
I believe
you know
you
what?
should ask your daughter and the driver of the motor
My
vehicle.
daughter is a backseat passenger, as you've
Exactly.
said. You're making the accusation. I would like to know.
What accusation?
The accusation of I don't know what, because you haven't told me. You're telling me to go Monday and read the report.
No, that's
when
not
these
what you
kids,
said to me.
You said ask them. It's not them. I'm not going to ask the driver what you are accusing them of wrongdoing. I'm asking you because you're the source of the accusation. They are not the source, you're the source. So I'm trying to go to the source. If you want me to go to their side of the story, I will.
I think
but
that's the
I
best
will
thing.
do that.
I think that's the best thing at this point.
You know what? I'm very disappointed in the way the two of you are acting. You cannot even tell me, a mother living in Tenafly for 20 years with two kids who went through the school system, what the problem is. And that's shocking. It's shocking that you can't even give me a sentence.
I think
no,
we should conclude this.
I will.
Just for safety reasons,
absolutely.
this is a high-speed road. I think we should all get off of the road. It's a little bit dangerous for us being out here as long as we were
Thank
anyway.
Thank you for your concern with my safety.
Okay.
I don't need it. You can't put a sentence together. Sorry.
Okay.
That's pathetic.
Okay.
And you are a disappointment. And you are just following him. So you are also a disappointment. You can't put together a sentence of what the problem
Are you finished
is.
now? Are you finished, ma'am?
I'm shocked.
Are you
I'm
finished?
shocked and very disappointed. Thank you for your help.
You may take them now.
You may not tell me when to take my child. You may shut the fuck up and not tell me when I may take my kids and her friends who are PhD students from MIT and Yale.
Okay.
You may tell me nothing because you told me nothing. Shame on both of you.
Okay.
I will be talking to the chief of police.
Please.
And I will be speaking to the mayor.
Badge number
And you're
540.
I got your name. I got your name.
Just to make sure there's
I know
no discrepancies.
There's no
Matt is the first name.
No. Don't you worry.
As long as you got all the information right.
I got all your information,
Okay.
sweetheart. You can't put a sentence together. That's shameful.
Okay.
That's shameful.
Have a pleasant weekend.
You have a wonderful
All right.
weekend. You're going to...
Just in terms of a receipt for for impound? Is that all contained in the receipt?
No,
there is no receipt for
They
impound.
can't even tell you the name, the reason. They can't tell me the reason why you didn't pull over.
The police
Are you
impound
tomorrow?
box. Is that online? Can we, like,
What company are you?
find out the what? The location of the impound. No, it's at the police department. Okay, cool. Police headquarters. Yep. You could take it.
Shame on you. Shame on you.
Have a pleasant
You
day.
can't put together. Ruined the perfect holiday weekend. 4 or 5 years ago.
Have a nice day.
Come back.
Take care now. Ma'am, where are you going exactly? It's not private.
Where are you? What's your address? What's your address? And what needs to be done when you get the release? It's not your question. You don't need it. Thank you. All right, we'll see you down there. Get away from me. I'm asking. No. I came to see his address.
This is a police employee.
I came to get his address.
This is a police contract employee.
You've made 5 people in that car cry. I hope you're happy. You're an ass.
Just doing my job.
And you, no, you're not. You're not.
We'll agree to get pictures. How about that?
How about, I'm not even going to talk to you because it's not worth it. Okay?
I agree.
You are not a nice person. And 5 people are crying. You've ruined their Easter. You've ruined their Passover. You've got someone, an investment banker in there from London. You've ruined it. They were just going for a hike, and you can't even. I hope you're very happy because you seem to have a smug-ass look on your face, and this seems to please you. I don't know why it's so hard to say what the reason is or where the car will be. Why?
You work with police officers, correct?
Yeah, I've worked with 4,000 of them.
I'm just a little bit disappointed that
You don't get to be disappointed in me.
you don't seem like a very big police supporter. I don't know. You think that you would have more of an inside look at the job. Just caught me by surprise based off your demeanor a little bit.
Yeah, okay.
Using inappropriate words and such.
Yeah. You know what, Matt? This isn't going to go down nicely.
Okay.
You're not a nice person.
Okay.
And it's really hard for me to understand why you can't say, the problem is they don't have this or they do have that. 2 sentences. That's
he was told.
not, I asked you.
The driver couldn't have been any nicer.
I asked you. They're all crying in there.
Driver could have been nicer.
I don't care about the driver being nice or not nice. I asked you, and you can't even put a sentence together. That's a problem.
Because of the way you approached me and your demeanor.
No. I'm sorry.
That's exactly why. I'm being honest with you.
Matt, you got a chance to put it together now, but you can't put the sentence together now, other than say you're disappointed. That's fine. We'll go to Rustin.
You can go to whoever you'd like to go to. It's irrelevant to me.
Okay.
I'm doing my job. I've done nothing inappropriate.
And if I go and say, what's the address and what do we have to do, that's inappropriate too. You need to tell me for that too?
I don't know why you're
Obviously,
coming over to a vehicle that's lawfully being impounded.
Because I want to know
I
where
don't know
it's
what you're
going.
doing. The driver was advised where it's going, as was your daughter.
I'm not.
Your daughter was very nice as well. She asked and I told her.
Guess what? I'm not so nice. And you can tell that to everybody, and it's fine.
Okay.
And the police have all been in my home, and in my second home, and in the third home in
I don't
Tenafly.
see how that's relevant, but to this situation.
Very smart, I know. Very smart. Maybe you need a few more tattoos off you.
Welcome.
Appreciate your patience. Thank you.
Thanks, Donnie. Appreciate it.
Two encounters, two very different sides of authority. One citizen calmly asserting his rights, and one public official trying to use power to bend the law. The message is simple. Rights don't belong to the loudest voice or the highest title. They belong to the people who understand them. In America, freedom isn't something you ask permission for. It's something you exercise. If you've ever been pressured to show ID or felt your rights were being tested, tell us your story in the comments. Subscribe so the next time authority steps in front of you, you already know where the law stands. This is ID Refusal Pro, where knowledge of the law becomes the strongest form of peaceful resistance.